This conference will now be recorded.
So today we'll create one database. Create. One second. Already one database is available here. I'll refresh this. Happy database is available. We'll use that one. In happy database, we'll create one table. Just right click here, new table. Okay, first we'll create one database. Create database sample. Shortcut for execute is F5. Just press F5. Where is the sample database is created? Just refresh this, then open. See here, sample database is created. In this we'll create one table. Just right click here, new table. So EID data type is of int. Don't allow nulls. Then ename. Ename is of varchar. Then E department. It is also of varchar, again char. Then don't allow null values here. Then add one more column, E gender. Don't allow null values. Then E age. Age is of numeric type. Then next E salary. Salaries of decimal type. Don't allow null values. So for this EID, we'll make it as primary key. Just right click here, set as primary key. What is the meaning of primary key? Yesterday I explained you, I think. What is the meaning of
बोल रहे
primary key?
हेलो 12
Yeah, please tell me.
Allows
Pretty,
unique value, madam.
yeah. It allows unique values and does not allow null values. Okay, it will won't accept
Yes,
the null
madam.
values. After this, what we have to do? Just right click here. Just right click here, save table. So rename this table as employee. Then click on OK button. Then next what we need to do, Control S. Control S. Again go to the database folder. Just refresh here. Expand this. Then expand the sample database. Expand the table. So here see, employee table is created. Just expand this. Expand the columns. See here. Employee ID is PK. PK means primary key. Data type is numeric. Not null means it does not allow the null values. Totally how many columns are there here? How many columns are there here, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. Now how to add the values here? How we will add the values in the table? Just right click on the table. Not this table, this table. Right click on the table. Edit top to 200 rows. Now here we need to enter the values. Salary 30,000. Then employee number. Total 10 employees will add. Why? Because we need to perform the operations. Different commands will execute based on this table. Rita, she belongs to IT. She is female. Age is 19 years. Salary is 50,000. Next, name is Sana. She belongs to same IT department. Female. Age is 20 years. Salary is 20,000. Total 10 records you will enter. Name is Raj. CSC. Male. Age is 22. Salary is 35,000. 005. Name is Reena. She belongs to ECE. Female. 23. Salary is 18,000. Any data you can take according to you. Just sample data I am adding here. Name is Tina. Salary is 50,000. Job. Male, age is 25, salary is 40,000. 1008. Name is James. He is 23. Salary is 45. Two more records will add. Mark, eight. See here what I will do. Which column we made as primary key? Which column is primary key? Employee ID. Employee ID is primary key. What primary key does? The features of primary key is it does not allow null values.
Null values.
And it does not allow duplicates. See, one I'm trying to add 1001. Sam. See, I'm adding the same value. So it will accept all, it will generate the error. We'll check it out. Same first row, I'm adding. See, it is throwing an error. Why? Because primary key does not accept the duplicate values. Until unless we change this data, we can't move to another row. Is it? We need to delete all this. Is it clear, ma? What is the use of primary key? It will not allow the null values.
Yes, ma'am.
See, suppose age I'll remove. I'll keep it as null. See, it is throwing a error. Okay? Until unless I make it correct, it will not allow us to insert the values. See here, age I gave the null value. So it is throwing an error. After inserting the data, what we need to do? Just Control S. Control S will save the data inserted into the table. Just next open new query. Here write select star from employee. Then execute. See, all the values of the table is displayed here. Is it clear till here, everyone? Is it clear, ma? How we are creating the table and how we are inserting the data?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is it clear, na? Okay. Next, what we'll do means I want only employee name. employee name and employee salary. I want only employee name and employee salary now. Just click on execute button. See here, output is employee name and employee salary. Suppose I want only employee name and employee age. It will display the output as employee name and employee age. I want to extract fetch the data from the table as employee name and employee gender. Is it clear, ma? Till here? Just we'll write the notes. What is the use of select command? What is the use of select command, ma?
To select entire table, madam, database.
Entire table or selected columns also. Okay.
Yes,
Select
madam.
command is used to select all the rows, or sorry, all the columns or specified columns. Okay, what is the syntax of select command? Syntax. What is the syntax here? Select column 1, column 2 till column n from table name. Okay, this is the syntax. Example. Any column name you can write. Control C, Control V. Alright. Just I want to increase this font size. It is not coming. Okay. Then what is the use of select star command? Select star from table name. What is the use of that command? To select
Selected entire table, ma'am.
entire table. Yeah. To select entire table. Syntax. Select star from table name. Okay, we need to put the semicolon here also. Semicolon. Then what is the example here? Example is select star from, what is the table name here, ma? What is the table name we are
Employee.
using? Employee. Then put a semicolon. Select a star from. Shall I copy the output also? Or it's not required?
Not need, madam.
Not required?
No need, ma'am.
No need.
Will do.
Okay. Just comments you'll write. Okay, everyone is cleared about this? Everyone is cleared about the select command? Now next we'll go to where clause. Where clause. What is the use of where clause? What is the use of where clause, ma? Just first we will execute this, then we will. What is the use of where clause? It contains what? Condition. It contains the condition. Where clause. Where clause is used to extract is used to extract specific records. What is the meaning of records? Which satisfies the
Rows,
condition. Rows, very good. Satisfy the condition. Which satisfy the condition. Okay, let us check practically. Here, just write the same. Select star from employee where gender equal to male. What will the output of this query, ma? Select star from the employees where gender is male.
We get the male employees.
Yeah, it will display the details of only male employees. Let us execute. See, how many male employees are there here? 5. Just copy this, Control C. Where clause syntax will write here. Syntax. Select star from employee where condition. An example. Control V. Suppose I want only female employees. What should I do? I want the details of female employees. What we have to do if I want only the details of female employee?
truncate
Instead
model.
of male, we should keep F.
Yeah, just we should remove this M and should keep F.
F.
Then execute.
And let's keep.
So only female employee details are displayed here. Please mute yourself. Okay, is it clear, ma? This command will display the details of only female employee. Okay, next what we'll try. Next command is I want the employees whose age is below 25. How to write that command? Whose age is below 25. How we will write? I want to know whose employee is below 25. Just write age less than 25, comma. Just execute the query. See, following employee's age is below 25 or else below 22. We'll write. Again execute. See, only 3 employees are there whose age is below 22. The above example displays only male employee details. Details. Here the above example will display only female employee details. The next example will copy. What does this command? What is the output of this command? Just wait. The above example displays only the employee details whose age is below 22. The next, I want the employee details whose salary is less than 30,000. How to find that? I want to know the employee details whose salary is less than 30,000. What changes we require to make here? Please answer me. I want the details of the employee. Are you able hearing me? Hello?
Yes, madam. Yes,
Yeah, I want the employee details whose salary is below 30,000. we
Madam,
need to do?
select stat employee where e salary less
Everything
than
is fine.
30,000.
The salary less than 30,000. So Control C, Control V. The above example displays employee details whose salary is less than 30,000. If you want greater than, what we need to do? I want the details of the employee whose salary is greater than, okay, 30,000. Control C. So all this command you need to practice. We'll copy this. Control V. Whose salary is greater than 30,000. Just I want to find the details of the employees who just belongs to CSC department. How to do that? Details of the employees who belongs to only CSC department. Are you able to understand this all the comments? I want to extract the
Yes,
details of
madam.
this. Yeah, who belongs to only CSC department. What we need to do?
Their employee details department single quote CSC.
Department. Why you are keeping single quote? Why we are using single quotes?
Because it's a string now.
Yeah, very good. Because it
It is a
is
string.
string. Yeah, CSC.
Yes, madam.
All the CSC employee details has been fetched out. Control C. Belongs to CSC department. If you go for interview, such type of comments they will ask. Just they'll give one table. They'll ask you to write a command and extract the data. Okay. Then next what we want? One more command you say. In the similar way we can find the IT department.
Hello, madam.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Madam, I
Tell
have
me.
doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
End of syntax We must use to semicolon or not necessary, ma'am.
You have to use, if you are selecting, it's not required. See, I'm not selecting the content now here. So that's why I'm using the semicolon. Sorry, semicolon. Once again, I'll show
Okay,
you.
okay.
See, if I won't use semicolon, it will display the error. See, if I'm not writing the semicolon, I am executing here. It is executing. If we select, it is executing now. No problem. But it is better to keep the semicolon at the bottom. Sometimes it will won't execute. Here, where is in capital letters or small letters? Where? Where is in lowercase letters. Even we can use caps lock. No problem. Okay. Even though it gets executed. Here also you can use the caps lock. It is not case sensitive. The select also you can use caps lock. Is it clear? If in interview if someone asks SQL Server is a case sensitive or not, means what will be the answer? What you will answer? It is case sensitive or not? SQL Server is a case sensitive language. Yes or no? SQL Server is a case sensitive language.
No, ma'am, no.
Yes or no? No. Why? Because it is accepting both capital letters and small letters. The next ECE department. Just you need to practice. Okay? You practice. Is it clear here, ma? Just I want to extract the employee ID, employee age, employee name. How to do that? I want to extract the employee ID, employee name and age. By using select command, employee name, ID and age I want to extract. How to do that? Yes, anyone can answer me? Hello?
Ma'am, by using where command,
By using select command.
yeah, okay, ma'am. Select star from employee ID, employee salary, employee age.
Select the
That's
start
enough.
from. Okay, say me the command. Select the star from. Select the star from we should not use. Select the. First we need to specify the column names. What are the column names? EID, then comma, ename, then comma, EAge from employee table. Next, what we need to do? Just execute the command. Say eid ename is executed. Okay, I'll give you one question. Please try to do now. Just write in the chat box. I'll give you the assignment. Create an student table with columns as student id, all the steps you need to explain how you have created student name, student class, and student gender. These columns you need to specify, and you need to make one student table by using command. How to make a student command by using a command? How to make, just try write a command by using a command, by using a query. How to do that? You need to create a student table using a query. Please tell the syntax. What we need to do? Create, okay, table name. What is the table name here? Student. Using query we are doing. Then open bracket, close bracket, here semicolon. Then what is the first column? What is the first column? Are you able to listen me? Hello. What is the first column here?
Student ID, ma'am.
Student ID.
Student ID, ma'am.
Student ID. Very good. Student ID. Then what is the data type here? Int.
Integer, madam.
It is a primary key. I want to specify this as primary key. Just here write primary key. Then it should allow null values or not? Should not allow null values, not null. Then comma. Then one more column name is student name. Student name is of which data type? N varchar.
N where
Here we need to specify the size. Size can be anything. How many primary keys we can assign to a table? How many primary key we can assign to a table? Can
One
anyone
primary
answer
key.
this? Only one primary
One
key.
one.
Okay. Can't. Yeah,
Yes.
very
only one.
good. Can't assign many primary keys. We can assign only one primary key to a table. So here it should not null. It should not accept the null values. Then what is another column? Student name, student class. Class is of which data type? Class is of which data type? N varchar.
String data type.
It should also not allow the null values. The next, student grade. So this is of which data type? N varchar.
Integer, ma'am.
Grade ma. A grade, B grade. In schools they'll give the grades,
Oh,
no? A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade, like that. So A grade, B grade are all alphabets. So we should give N varchar. If it is a number, we should give the integer value. Then gender. What is the gender data type? N varchar. Why? Because it is male or female.
yes, madam.
So next, what we need to do? How to save this table? How to save the table, ma?
Say F5, madam.
Not F5 here. Here on this
Control
header,
S.
just right click. No, in this header, just right click and Control S. C. Just save. So it will ask you the
We can
Control
execute the
S.
query.
What, ma? How to
We can
execute?
execute the query. Select all and execute.
See,
Or
already I kept the same semicolon, na?
semicolon.
It
Yes, we
will
can directly execute. Yes, yes.
see. Command completed successfully. Where this table will be saved? How to check? Just go to tables folder, refresh. See, new student table is added here. Yes or no? New student table is added here. Okay. Today what we have learnt? Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Today we
yes,
have
ma'am.
learnt
Yes.
about select command and where command.
A
Okay.
command.
Yeah. Just practice all this one. Tomorrow is a Sunday, so tomorrow no class will be there. Okay. Actually, about content, course content, sir said he will give the course content. So he did not give me yet. Whenever he will message me, I'll share with you. Okay. Ram sir said that he will give the course content, or if you don't give, I'll prepare the course content. Okay. Is it clear? Just whatever everyone has installed SQL Server. Gopi, Prasad, Venkat, Vivek,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I will.
all of
Yes, madam.
Either it's
you.
trouble.
What? Prasad, you are not installed? Hello?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Not install.
Not installed. So I'll share you. What you have to do means I'll give one process. Follow that. Okay. Then you can install. Okay. Today we'll end the section here only one. Okay.